and gentlemen, welcome to our 207th state of the track, this time at Avenue J at the Brighton line. Starting off Manhattan bound track. Needs attention. Let's go to the Pullman out of bound track here at Avenue J. The first letter of my name. That's a good thing. That has the first letter of my name. It's a pretty awesome thing.
It's a small, tiny roll, like not even a restaurant.
Alright, calling out and bound track. It could be way better than this, obviously. But anyways, this will conclude our state of the track at Avenue J.